Hi everyone, this is my Module 3 Web 2.0 Applications Module 3 review. My key points from Welch's video were how far and fast videos can spread, and just how far information and stuff can spread on the web, like through applications like Facebook and Snapchat and all that other stuff. Learning from mistakes and retrying. That's kind of self-explanatory. If you don't have success with uh, one thing at first, don't just give up and just find the strength and keep trying. Through technology, we can learn the most from each other because it's a faster way of learning from people, especially if you need to send an email from someone across the country. It just makes everything easier. Context collapse. Uh, you'll never know when a camera is present, so make sure you know what you're doing and not being probably an idiot on camera or something like that. Just making sure uh, you know what is around you and how much more broadcasting YouTube has than other major broadcasting companies. YouTube does a lot of broadcasting and it spans over more than major broadcasting companies. Participation, observation, the best way of learning and doing something is obviously doing it. Um, then network individualism, uh, cultural inversion. People are becoming more individual but want more community. So really this stuff well, applications and stuff help with that because you can be on your phone by yourself but you're still communicating with people, and it kind of makes a you still have that sense of being individual but you can still be a part of a community. um the podcast I listened to was a TED Talk by Paul Zinski, and talking about how physical education directly affects mental education, so your core classes and stuff. Fitness is really important, and kids need it every day to rebuild brain cells to obviously become smarter and be more successful in school. The bookmarking tool that I used was a Raindrop IO, and I like it because it's really good. It bookmarks everything I need. It keeps everything nice. And then the next thing was should Web 2.0 technology be allowed in classrooms? Personally, no, I don't think so because well, yeah, it increases communication with other students, but you should really keep everything in your own classroom to keep interaction in the classroom the best. And that's it.